tree, bouncing bright for you and me. Orange pumpkins big and round, rolling softly on the ground. Yellow ducklings quack and play, splashing in the sun all day. Green little frogs jump up high, ribbit, ribbit to the sky. Rainbow colors all around, happy colors can be found. Clap your hands and twirl around, color all around. Color magic all around. Red and orange, green and blue, purple, pink and yellow too. Bright and cheerful, big and two, bright and cheerful, big and small. Rainbow colors for us all. Blue, blue whales swim splash, 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 making waves with happy crash. Purple butterflies flutter slow, dancing where the flowers grow. Pink balloons float way up high, waving softly through the sky. Brown little puppies run and spin, wagging tails with silly grins. Twinkle stars in silver light, black and white little panda bear, rolling happily everywhere. Wave hello and stomp your feet. Every color feels so sweet. Red fire trucks go zoom, zoom fast, shiny yellow buses pass. Green, green turtles crawl so slow, bluebirds sing and chirp hello. Purple grapes and bunches sweet, pink cupcakes are fun to eat. Orange kites fly in the breeze, floating gently past the trees. Rainbow fish swim left and right, sparkling colors shining bright. Tiny flowers bloom all day, colorful and bright and gay. Clouds of cotton floating by, rainbow shining in the sky. Every color laughs and sings, joy and magic everything. Now the rainbow says goodbye, waving softly through the sky. Tomorrow we will sing once more, colors we will all adore. Rainbow colors fun and bright, see you soon and sleep good night.
Subscribe, like, share,
BrightNest.